It's ready to go. Take it.
Are they actually moving? Yeah. They're mincing slowly.
Very slowly, Paddy.
There
Slow
they
at
are.
the moment, they're just walking around the top. You can't see them. Keeping down the middle, two. Yeah, three. Yeah, I see them now.
Now this barricade in front of you, Colin, that's actually a good place to hold up down there because they can't see in, but you can see out through that barricade. You got to watch out for that sniper on your target.
You see him walking right around the top.
Because if he got out here, he could snipe in on that target. You see what I mean? Shoot him in the face. Just run in there and shoot that thing in the face.
Right, full auto.
Do the old surprise attack. Shoot the thing in the face. If you've been hit, call your hits. Yeah, you take your hit, that's it, Colin. Call for a medic. Hey! Game!
Hey, done! VRP, dead!
Ready, Carl? Remember, if you get hit, call for a medic. You've only got one medic who's Clint, so look after him. That's it. Run! Run, Mick! Run! Run, Mick! Well done, mate. You lived.
Right, fellas, just try to keep the eyes on, yeah? Yeah.
He's hit. Paddy's invincible, don't you know that?
Huh?
Paddy's invincible.
They're all that way.
Just filled his face full of them and just walked off.
But he has a tendency to walk off without trying to hit.
There you go, look, behind him, look.
Alright, you can do it.
He clearly bounced off his fucking groin.
Sorry. Pull him up. Let's see that guy in the legs. Oh God, yeah, he's getting him. Is he backed off? No. Oh, let me go and call him out. Did you eat that kid that was here?
Huh?
Did you eat that kid?
Reloading!
Get hit in the arm?
Can I hang down like I'm dead or something?
No.
Watch that fucking over that fucking hill though. a guy in the fallen trees. Right. Fucking right. There's two over there. You're 1 o'clock. He's out. He's out. Ready to go upstairs.
Go.
Did you get hit?
Thanks. You alright?
Did you get hit, Clint?
I don't think so. Didn't do anything.
Hey, cover your arms.
Right, medic, you got to exit the tower now. You don't have the ability to heal anybody when you're up there.
Where are they?
They're coming from the rear.
Guy from the tree's gone. Right, if you
By
get
the
leg
kill
down,
house.
we keep you covered. There's only one open respawn, the rest are over there. Right, double check. Yeah, clear, mate.
No, I'm not clear.
There's BB's whizzing by his ear off.
I'm not clear.
Where's he shooting?
What's that? There's one down there. Look. You've got two behind. I can't see it now. It's in the woods. About 12 o'clock over there.
Bubs, you got some coming up on you?
Straight in front. Where are you?
He's on the rear,
Yeah, it's coming straight ahead of you.
Looks like you're having a little tea party up there.
I'll go.
Yeah, mate, yeah. Oh, hang on. Tower. Come.
That respawn.
Then pick up your AK.
Right, Simon.
Thanks for
straight
that.
there behind that fence.
Yeah, I see him.
Keep your head down. I can do this all day. I'll shoot that off next time.
Stay inside the perimeter. Stay inside the perimeter.
Yeah, good.
No, medic? You've been hit, Clint. You? No.
Simon's got one pinned down.
George! You alright, George? George, you alright? You still in game?
The other one's at the back.
You bastard, Adam.
Who's swearing?
Put your hand up in the air and call for a medic. Stop. Stop. You got to stay still and call for a medic.
Medic!
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 At the front!
Medic down.
Medic down!
Go on, medic.
How many we got left standing?
Medic!
Can we intercept them while they're trying to set it up?
You alright? Just shoot him. Just shoot him.
Is there any medic?
Stay inside the perimeter! Steve, inside the perimeter! Chris, clear the area. Chris, move.
Get them now.
We can engage them, can't we?
Engage.
Oh, come here!
Wait, wait. It was hilarious. I got all the video. Paddy just running that way while you're looking that way.
Oh, is there any medic?
Nah, we're all down, mate.
Are you down, Steve? Are you still in? Right, dead players. No medic, yeah?
No, they're all down.
Right, dead players exit the game. Dead players leaving.
Hit! Hang on!
Dead players out on the green, please. That's it. That's